Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make red sauce pasta. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of your favorite pasta, like spaghetti or penne. Grab a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, 2 cloves of garlic, and a small onion. Don't forget fresh basil, good olive oil, and basic seasonings such as salt and pepper. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's create that delicious red sauce. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your minced garlic and diced onion, cooking until they are fragrant and softened, about 3 to 5 minutes. Pour in the 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat and let it cook for at least 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. Season with salt, pepper, and a small pinch of sugar to enhance the flavors. While your sauce is simmering, it's time to cook the pasta. Fill a large pot with water and add a generous amount of salt. This seasons the pasta from within. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then add your 1 pound of pasta. Stir it immediately to prevent sticking. Cook according to the package instructions, usually around 8 to 12 minutes, until it's perfectly al dente firm, but not hard. Remember, perfectly cooked pasta is key to a great dish. Finally, let's bring it all together. Once your pasta is al dente, drain it, but be sure to reserve about 1/4 cup of the starchy pasta water. Add the hot, drained pasta directly into your simmering red sauce. Toss everything together until the pasta is beautifully coated. If the sauce seems too thick, add a splash of that reserved pasta water to achieve the perfect consistency. Serve immediately, garnished with fresh basil and a generous sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese. Enjoy your homemade red sauce pasta.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.